Hello everyone, I hope audio video everything is clear from my end. Yes. So welcome to Let's Crack NTA UGC NET YouTube channel. This session is related to commerce. Yes. This session is related to commerce, not the paper one. So in this, most important and conceptual questions are going to be discussed with respect to paper 2 commerce, all the 10 units. So let's start with this session. Every Tuesday, Wednesday and Friday, my free live session in this YouTube channel at 9 PM will be there. As today is Tuesday, we are starting with this session. And myself, Vodnala Shivalingam, a qualified NET-JRF in commerce. I am a verified educator at Unacademy platform for teaching to the UGC NET paper 1 and paper 2 commerce. So you can follow me in the Unacademy learning app. The link is given in the chat box as well as in the description also. And do join in my Telegram group. Unacademy space Vodnala Shivalingam is my Telegram group name. So do join over there so that you will get all updates. And for the August 2022 complete courses, not the August 2022, September 2022 examination, there is a course which we started today, that is capsule course on commerce and paper 1, which is a mock test. And for the complete course on paper 1 and paper 2 commerce also been launched. It will be starting from 24th of August. So morning 8 AM commerce and paper 1 will be at 7 PM. You can join into Plus platform by using my referral code SHIVALIVE, SHIVALIVE. You will get 10% off on the subscription plan. This is not applicable now. So you can take the subscription by using my referral code. Let's go into the question number 1. Question number 1 is here. Please do hit a like button. Hello guys. My Telegram ID is that Unacademy space Vodnala Shivalingam, which is appearing on the top of this session. Just type the same, you will get it. Sir, Hindi में नहीं होता भाई, because मेरे को हिंदी नहीं आती. Very sorry for it, but you can understand. That's what I can assure you. This basic English you can understand easily. Hello, good evening everyone. Which are the following items not allowed as a deduction while computing income from the business and profession? From the business and profession. So option number A is the correct answer. Fees paid to the lawyer in drafting the partnership deed. This is before formation of the business. So before the business, whatever the expenditure incurred, that will not be deducted. That too, this is partnership deed making where the partnership is not even formed. So while deducting the business income, this expenditure is not allowed over here. Next, that too drafting the partnership deed. Which of the following are related to ADDa? ADDa. Hello, good evening everyone. Good evening. Hello. Option C is the given answer. Why C? Both the statements are correct. Only individual who are self-employed person or salaries who do not receive HRA. Because GG is related to house rent allowance deduction under 80. Either section number 1013A, this will be applied, or section number aDDa deduction. Either this or this, both will not be applied at a stretch. Either this benefit or this benefit. If you are taking this exemption, this deduction won't be allowed. So that is why for those who are self-employed personal salaries who do not receive HRA can claim the deduction under aDDa as a HRA. In order to claim this deduction, assessee is required to file form 10BA need to be filed for the with the details of a payment of rent. He need to file so that he can claim the deduction under aDDa. That requirement is a legal requirement. Yes, one relief only. Correct, Rahul. Good evening. I am good. How are you, Bati? Which of the following is not true regarding the partnership in the absence of partnership deed? Hello, MCOM Shwetakshari. Shweta Keshri. Guys, do hit a like button if you like this session. In the absence of deed equal. Okay. So option A is the given answer. Profit and losses shared in respect of the profit sharing ratio. By not true regarding the absence of the partnership deed. When the partnership deed is absent, when the partnership deed is not there, then obviously the profit and losses ratio should be equal. Right? It should not be in the profit and sharing ratio, because profit sharing ratio must be equal ratio when the deed is absent. So that is why the A statement is not true. The remaining statements are correct, because no interest on capital will be paid and interest on loan at the rate 6% per annum will be paid, and no salary should be given to any partner. No interest on capital and 6% interest on the loan need to be paid. Those are the things. These are the 5 things in case of absence of the partnership deed. Next. Yes, equal profit sharing ratio. Absolutely. As per the Consumer Protection Act 2019, the district council would entertain the complaints which have value of goods and services not exceeding 1 crore. This is an outdated question because recently in the 2021 there is an amendment. So answer the question according to that amendment rather than as per this statement. What I will do, I will make a change over here based on the answer. A are given. So as per the district not exceeding, I will make this as an 50 lakhs. Next, the state commission would entertain the complaints where the value of commission is okay. More than 50 lakhs, less than 2 crore. Okay, now you can answer it. Please make the answer as per the new amendment. I'll give you the new amendment also. So option A must be the correct answer. I will tell you how it will work. So district commission, state commission, national commission. District commission will be the value of goods and services up to 50 lakhs. State commission matters will be more than 50 lakhs up to 2 crores. Up to 2 crore. National commission would be more than 2 crore. National commission will be there. So district, state, national as per the 2021 recent amendment. As per the 2021 amendment, remember this one because this can be asked in upcoming examination. This is a new rule which has been introduced. Ignore about the question. Next. Hello, good evening everyone. Amalgamation in corporate accounting is explained as a blending of two companies or more than two, so more than that to form a new company. In amalgamation of two companies, both the companies lose their existence. Yes, I am going to start the class for the commerce as well as paper 1 from the 24th of August. Complete courses are going to start. Shweta Keshri. Good evening, Archana. So answer for this question will be option number B will be the correct answer because both are correct statement. Both are correct statement. Yes, amalgamation is equal to combining two companies to form a new company, that is A, B or C, D, whatever the new company. So combining two companies and both the companies will lose their existence to form this new company. A new baby will be there. Next, both parents will die. Cash flow statement is useful for planning of the medium and long term financing. Fund flow statement is useful in planning short term financing. Wow. Hello, Wasima Yasmin. Please do hit a like button, guys. Yes, it is ulta. Actually, ulta statements are there because fund flow for long term. Here fund flow for long term in nature, cash flow for short term in nature. But the significant difference between fund flow and cash flow is that fund flow usually how it will be. This is not a financial statement. This is a part of the financial statement. Financial statements part is cash flow as per the Ind AS 7 or else AS number 3. Fund flow is never be a part of the financial statement. This is optional in nature. This is optional to know the fund movement. This is for cash movement. This cash movement is just a short term analysis. Fund movement is a long term analysis. Next. Correct, Ganesh. Hello, Priya Srimali. How are you? Hello, Neha Sharma. So option C is a given answer, rectangular hyperbola. Okay. 1% change in quantity. 1% change in price. So due to the 1% change in price, there is a 1% change in quantity is coming. This is equal change. Both are equal. That means there is a unitary elasticity. Right? There is a unitary elasticity like this. It will come. Rectangular hyperbola will appear. Next. Yes. Please do hit a like button if you like this session. If you dislike this session, kindly hit a dislike button as well. There is no problem in it. Making strategy intends to appear in the whole market without confining into small market segment is known as niche marketing. Niche marketing strategy hopes to capture heterogeneous consumers. Choose the correct option. Option D is a given answer. Statement 1 and 2 are both are incorrect because intends to appear the whole market without confining into a small market is never called as a niche market, that is macro market rather. This is whole market is a macro marketing which is covering without any specificity. So niche marketing strategy hopes to capture homogeneous consumers, not the heterogeneous consumers, because similar nature of the consumers are similar who will prepare the similar products or the specific products will be required, not the heterogeneous consumers. Next. Yes, that could be a mass marketing, that could be a macro marketing. They are saying about whole. Which among the following are the type of errors that occurs during the stage of idea screening? Drop error, select error, go error, all of the above. See, micro marketing is for the individual, whereas niche marketing is a specific category marketing. So here option D is the given answer, all of the above, because which among the following is a type of error occurs during the stage of idea screening? One idea in the new product development process. In the new product development process, the idea that you generated, it could be a continuation idea, that select the idea and move further. Select the idea and move further, that is go error or select error, or drop the idea. If it is not good, drop the idea. So all these three errors occur because sometimes better idea you will drop it, that is drop error. Sometimes worst idea you will move further to implement, that is selection and go error. Both will occur. No, Shweta Keshri, I will be completing entire course for the paper 1 and paper 2 in the Unacademy Plus platform. Already recently I completed paper 1 and paper 2 complete courses and the revision courses and PYQ courses for the both papers. 10 units I completed for the last exam, which is going to appear into September 2022. But on 24th of August, new complete courses are going to start for the both papers. So answer for this question will be A. The relationship of a promoter with a company is based on the trust and confidence. The main purpose of the promoter need to disclose all the facts that are related to profit earned by them. So main purpose of the promoter need to disclose all the facts that are related to a profit earned by them. This is okay, correct statement, but because of this reason the relationship of company is not about the trust and confidence. Actually, promoter is a key person who will be initiating the company, who will be initiating the formation of company, right? Without him you cannot formate the company, but this is not the primary reason, because he is in an obligation to disclose all the facts related to them, but this is not the reason for that relationship. Next. A person who is usually a sound mind but occasionally of unsound mind may not make a contract when he is of unsound mind. A patient in a lunatic asylum who is at interval of sound mind may contract during the intervals. Option C is the given answer, that is both the statements are correct about it. So when he is a person who is usually sound mind, occasionally unsound, so he may not make a contract when he is unsound. You can make a contract when he is sound mind. That is what the provision. A patient in a lunatic who is at interval of sound mind may contract during those intervals whenever he is of sound mind. Whenever he is of sound mind, you can enter into contract. Whenever he is of sound mind. Practically कोई नहीं करेगा उनसे contract. Practically, how can you recognize that he is a lunatic person when he is of sound mind? So at the moment of sound mind, he will speak with everything with a sense, na? So how can you recognize him? In some cases, you can't recognize, na? Extraordinary general meeting refers to the meeting which can be called for solving some emergency matters. Yes, let's study. I am teaching in this channel. Kumar sir is there? Huh. Me and Kumar sir will be there in this channel. Option D is the correct answer. EGM is for emergency matters, obviously. And here only one director or the two members has the right to call the extraordinary general meeting, which is incorrect. How only one or two members will be having? So there is nothing as such. It has to pass a special resolution. We must and should require a special resolution for this to call the EGM. That is 3/4 of the majority has to accept. And here if you look at EGM which can be called by some emergency matter which cannot be postponed until the next AGM. So any director, not only one director, any director or the two members requisition upon the requirement or upon the request made by the members, they can make a EGM, or else National Company Law Tribunal with any one of them they can able to call the EGM. Next. Kindly hit a like button if you like this session. Identify which TDS certificate related to payment other than the salaries. So there is a non-salary. Four forms na: salary, non-salary, payment of the rent, sale of property. Sale of property. Salary will be form number 16. 16A for non-salary, right? And here 16B for building. 16B for what? I think rent. B for building. 16C for rent, if I am not wrong. C for rent. Payment of the rent. 16C. Correct? Property. C rent. Total 4 TDS certificates. Next. Punishment for identify the theft mentioned under which section of the IT Act? Theft. Punishment for theft. Option D is the given answer, 66C, because B is for dishonestly receiving the stolen computer resources, C is for theft, and D is for this is personal identity when you are making it public, that is cheating, or else personal cheating by the personation means fake profiles or the fake identity creation will be there, like misrepresenting themselves and looting the people or cheating the people. E is for privacy violation. When you are putting their privacy in the public, then that 66E will be applied. The following training aims to provide broad training to enable the trainee to take up a wide variety of a task within his field of specialization. Demonstration, on the job training, apprenticeship, as well as all of the above. Option C is the given answer, apprenticeship. Option C is the correct answer, apprenticeship. So here training aims to provide broad training to enable them the trainee to take up a wide variety of tasks within his field of specialization is an apprenticeship. So option C is a given answer. Even on the job training is also correct, and a demonstration is on the job training will be a broader classification, because this apprenticeship is classified as an off the job sometimes, and sometimes it could be on the job. But they are saying about broad training to enable them a trainee to take up wide variety of different tasks in the training period only they can able to make it up. So which is apprenticeship. Demonstration is only a type of showing. He is not practically doing anything. But here they are saying variety of tasks he will perform in this specialization is apprenticeship. Like ITI people, industrial training people will be there. Now those are. When output of a company rises, the long run average total cost curve is slope downwards. So what will be the such situation be known as? LAC. So option B is the given answer, increasing return to scale. Increasing return. When output increases, obviously, whenever output increases, this will be increasing return to scale. Whenever output decreases, obviously this will be a decreasing return to scale. Next, the payback period method is widely used. It does not take into consideration the time value of money. So option A is a given answer. Both are correct and R is the correct, not correct explanation. Payback period method is widely used because this is the easiest method. Why it is widely used? It is the easiest method to calculate and it does not take into consideration of time value of money. This is also perfect, but just because of the time value of money doesn't take into consideration, we are not going to use this method. We are using this one due to easiest method and we are using this one due to investment recovery point of view. Investment recovery period it will give you. Because of that reason we are using that payback period method widely. It is not because of it doesn't consider the time value of money. Next. But wait, what is the answer I given? Okay, correct. Hello Kushi Jain. Option C is a given answer. Dash responsibility to contribute to the improvement of the society through activities that are appreciated or desired by the societies and philanthropic responsibility. So actually, as per the Carroll model of the CSR, there is a LEAP, LEEP, philanthropic, economical, ethical as well as legal, ethical, economical and philanthropic. But philanthropic responsibility is the highest one which is appreciated by the society, because when you are doing something for the charity is nothing but philanthropic, which is for free. Next, authority is the right to give orders and the power to exact obedience is defined by. Authority is the right to give orders and power is to exact obedience is defined by. Bernard Fayal, Henry Fayal and Strong, Louis Allen. Who given this? We know only that Fayal, that is why we are giving that one. I am good, Kushi Jain. How are you? I know, Nakul. Correct. So option A is the given answer. Only Vivek answered correct. Bernard is the correct answer. Bernard has defined authority is a right to give and power is to exact the obedience. That is what given by the Bernard. Sorry. Wait. Here the explanation is saying Henry Fayal, but the Bernard is given an answer. Kindly wait by. Just let me confirm in the Google once. Wait. Sorry. Yes, answer is FIAL only. FIAL is the correct answer. I should change this option, option B. Option B. Okay, FIAL is the correct answer. Which of the following are true regarding the NBFC in India? The company must be registered as a public limited company or private limited company in India. Company must have a minimum net owned fund of 2 crore. Repayment of deposits by the NBFCs is not guaranteed by the RBI. NBFCs cannot accept the deposit repayable on demand. Okay. Option D is a given answer. A, B, C, D. All are correct only because the company must be registered in private or public limited, must have a minimum net worth of 2 crore, that is 200 lakhs must be there. And the repayment of deposits by the NBFC is not guaranteed by the RBI and they should not use the RBI name. RBI name never used by the NBFCs. NBFCs cannot accept the deposits which are payable on demand. Only term deposits they are allowed. Only term deposits they can able to take, not the demand deposits. That is fixed deposits only allowed. Next, the traditional approach of capital structure was developed by Modigliani and Miller, Myron Garden and Walter Ezra Solomon. D लॉक कीजिए. Very good. लॉक किया भाई. So Ezra Solomon is the correct person. Myron Garden given Garden dividend theory. Modigliani Miller is a irrelevant fellow. He is irrelevant dividend theory and irrelevant capital structure theory. Walter is also dividend theory, which is relevant. These both are relevant dividend theories. Next, a citizen who desires to seek information from a public authority, he is required to send along with application a demand draft or a banker's check or an Indian postal order of rupees 500, 10 rupees, 50 rupees. How much it is? Ezra bro. So it is 10 rupees must be the answer. Let's see. Yes, it is rupees 10 must be sent to the accounts officer of the public authority as fee prescribed by seeking information, for seeking information. Next. RTGS takes place from one bank to any other bank on real time and on net basis. Net settlement means the transaction is settled on one-to-one basis without bundling or with any other transaction. 2 rupees per page. 2 rupees per page will be, this is for the sake of application. Na? To get the copies, 2 rupees per page you need to pay. So option D is the given answer. Both are incorrect statement. Why both are incorrect statement? Real time gross settlement. So real time gross settlement is the full form. Alright. So real time net basis is wrong, that is gross. Net settlement means the transaction settled on one-to-one basis without bundling or with any other transaction. With bundling, actually net settlement means with bundling, not without bundling. So with bundling, transaction settled with one-on-one basis with bundling, not without bundling. So both are incorrect statement. You can just see. Gross settlement means a transaction on one-to-one basis without bundling. Whereas a settlement in real time means payment of transaction is not subjected to any waiting period. It will be cleared as and when they are making a payment, not on net basis, it is on gross basis. All out, yes. No, you cannot use Sarvani. For that you must have the Swift. In which of the following type of financial market the financial instrument of less than 1 year maturity period? Capital, money, primary market. Only two, that is in money market only this is possible. So because this is money market is a short term instrument market, which are secured and unsecured both will be there, and this is unorganized market. Money market is an unorganized market usually. From the following statement, choose the reason for creation of the WTO, World Trade Organization. Trade in services was not covered by the GATT rules, and procedure for settling a dispute existed, but it had no fixed timetable in GATT. Changes in the world economy and globalization. Option number D is the correct answer because all were reasons. Here you can just see GATT provisional, and at the time of GATT creation, ITO, International Trade Organization, is also there, was expected to manage international trade, and GATT was expected to be included in the charter of the ITO. But trade in services was not covered by the GATT rules, and it is becoming a major part of the world trade. So because of this changing economies, only services need to be included in this GATT. So for that we need to amend the GATT. Rather than doing that, we had a replacement of the WTO in place of the GATT. Till that time it was GATT, later it became WTO. Regarding the tax credit method in India, which statements are correct? Tax credit method in the international taxation, which is double taxation related. Option B is the given answer. Only 1 and 2 are correct about the tax credit method. Income is taxed in the country of the source, and the resident country will be and the country of resident is deduction will be provided. So suppose India is a resident country and China is an source country. You need to pay the tax over here. You need to pay the tax over here and tax over in both the countries. But here tax credit method means whatever the tax that you paid outside India and inside India, here you will have a deduction facility. Right, and second one, tax relief under this method can be claimed under residence country. That is country of resident, not the country of the source. This is country of source. And income taxed in the country of resident and country of source deduction is provided in other country. No, this is ulta. So for first and second is correct with regard to tax credit method. Next. It's like a GST input tax credit. Merits of marketing planning. Tomorrow at 9 PM we'll be having a paper 1 questions by. In the same channel. Every Tuesday, Wednesday, Friday. Alright. So option number D is the correct answer. All of the above. All of the above is the correct answer. Which of the following are the merits of marketing planning? Merits of the marketing planning, which is identification of future development and consideration of opportunities and problems, focus on objectives, profitable employment of the resources. They are asking about advantages. Merits of the marketing planning are advantages of the marketing planning. Planning is always for forecasting the future or thinking about the future. At present is called as in planning. So future development and taking opportunities and thinking about problems, focusing on objectives, profitable employment resources. Next, true about the production era. Option A is a given answer. Supply creates its own demand. Production era. Supply creates its own demand. In the production era, its supplies are done according to the demand of a specific commodity or the product. So its supply creates its own demand. Supply is done according to its demand. Supply creates its own demand means if the supply is there, demand will be created. So supply is the base for creating a demand. As more and more movies are getting produced now, because of that only demand is getting increased. Or more and more demand for the movies is there, movies are made by the filmmakers. So like that, supply is there, supply itself is a base for creating a demand. That is what the production era, I would say. Best example is filmmakers. Given goods are said to those this is West Bengal set just now completed na. West Bengal set 2022 paper, same question copy pasted, right? So when price increases, demand also increases. For this type of product, it will not decrease. It will be having a positive relationship in case of given. So these are exception to a law of demand. The big 5 personality traits factors are also called as Ocean model, Johari window, custodian model, autocratic model. So that is ocean model. Big five personality trait is a ocean model. So ocean full form: openness, consciousness, extraversion, agreeableness, neuroticism. Openness, consciousness, extraversion, agreeableness, neuroticism are part of the ocean 5 categories. James Walter's theory stress on the dividends being important to share prices. Which of the following is not one of its assumption made by the Walter theory of dividend? So option D is the given answer, both A and C. EPS and KR constant are assumptions of the Walter, whereas firm life is limited. It is not an assumption of any dividend model, not only about the Walter, it is not an assumption of the neither nor Gordon also. And DPS changes as per the market. No, dividend is going to be constant as per the market. So both A and C are not the assumption. McCulloch theory discusses 3 important motivators. Identify one which is not a main motivator. Yeah, continuous, infinite life, going concern. McCulloch theory discusses 3 important motivators. Identify which of the following is not a main motivator. Hello Rahul. Option D is the correct answer. Productivity never be a part of the McCulloch's theory. McCulloch is triple A, that is, you can just see. One of the 3 needs of David McCulloch theory explains how the drive for achievement, power and affiliation. These are the 3 things: achievement, power, affiliation. So power or authority is indicated as same over here, and affiliation and achievement, these are the 3 needs given by the McCulloch. So productivity never be a part, or it is not even similar to any of the three things. Sorry. APA. So if a spinner has 3 equal sectors colored yellow, blue and red, then find the probability of landing on the red or yellow after spinning the spinner. Out of the authority, power will come. Option A is the given answer, 2 by 3. Out of the 3 chances, 2, either yellow or red, will be 2. That is 2 by 3 is the correct answer. What type of data is used to present the form of frequency data? बता दिया भाई. What type of data used to present the in the form of frequency data? Grouped, ungrouped, secondary, calculated data. So it will be a grouped data, because grouped data is like a class intervals will be there, which is type of frequency. Class interval 0 to 10, 10 to 11, 10 to 15, 15 to 20, like that intervals will be there. Next, from the given alternatives, choose the number of times the monetary policy committee meets in a year. 2/3 I explained already. Two chances are either yellow or else red. Out of the three chances, two chances need to occur. So that probability is 2/3. Answer is for every quarter, that is at least 4 times. For every quarter means 4 quarters will be there in a 1 year. 4 into 4 for at least 4 times, 4 quarters, 4 quarters, 3 months every year, which is equal to 12 months. So every 3 months they will meet. Present is that Shakti Kanta Das. In contract manufacturing, how local manufacturer in foreign country loses their control over the manufacturing process? Option C is the given answer. Goods are strictly produced according to the terms and specifications of the contract. How local manufacturer in foreign country loses their control over the manufacturing process? When goods are strictly produced according to the terms and specification of the contract made by the Indian contractor with a foreign manufacturer, obviously foreign manufacturer, that is local manufacturer in their host country, will lose their control on the person who made the contract. So that is why option C must be the correct answer. Local manufacturer is inferring host country manufacturer. Which of the following are not the item of capital account under the BOP? Investment, imports and export, reserves and other financial assets. So option C is the given answer, only 2. Import and exports are not part of the capital account because this is part of the current account. This is part of the current account, whereas investment, reserves and other financial are part of the capital account. Next, price skimming is a process of charging high prices for the goods who have easily available substitute. Price skimming strategy is aimed at generating high profit in less time before the entry of other competitors. So answer must be a D. Why it is D, Skimming is a process of charging high. Yes, absolutely this is correct. But those who are not easily available, in the market and not having any substitute, they are actually brandable product and not having any substitutes, unique products will be using the skimming strategy. And skimming is a strategy aimed at generating high profit in less time. Obviously in less time they have to generate before the competitors of the unique product entering into market. They need to make more and more profit for their unique product or the new product. In law of variable proportion, the point of inflection is where the total product start decreases at an increasing rate, the total product start decreases at a diminishing rate, increasing at an increasing rate and increase at a diminishing rate. So answer for this question will be D. When total products start at an increasing and diminishing rate, point of inflection. So here this is what in total production will be there now. It will go, and this is where the point of inflection, where total products start at an increasing rate, increasing at a diminishing rate. That is what the option D. Next, last and final question of this session. In oligopoly form of market, the demand curve is indeterminate, that is not definite. Any change in the price by one firm may result in change in price by the rival firms. Yes, from this point MP start falling, and even it will touch 0 and it will go into negative from that onwards. Option A is the correct answer, because oligopoly demand curve is indeterminate. Demand curve is going to be a Kinker demand curve, which is dual elasticity is going to be there. Kinker demand, so it is indeterminate. Any change in price by one firm may change in the prices by the rival firm. That is why this price rigidity they will follow. Assumption is that price rigidity, to avoid the price rivalry, they will keep the price almost constant. But if any one firm is changing now, obviously that will be impacting in a negative way for sure. So that's about the questions, 40 questions that we solved today. So guys, tomorrow at 9 PM we will be meeting for this session in this channel only for the paper 1, and you can subscribe to Unacademy Plus platform if you like these sessions. Complete courses for the paper 1 and paper 2 commerce will be starting from 24th of August in this month, which will be useful for upcoming NET examination, not for the September examination. For the September beginning, we are starting with the people and environment in paper 1, and paper 2 BMHRM we are starting. So you can take the plus subscription by using my referral code SHIVALIVE SHIVALIVE and get 10% off and get all my chart wise presentation material, and paper 1, paper 2, all classes of all educator, everything you will get under one platform. Thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed the session. If you enjoyed, please do share with your friends and do not forget to hit a like button. We'll meet in tomorrow 9 PM. Thank you so much. Bye bye to all.